Hello peeps, here we are Sunday, having a trip up to Scarborough on a wet, windy, wintry winter's day in February. Down there's a bit of South Bay, St Mary's Church. And we're just going up to the castle. This is famously bombed, back in the First World War. There's South Bay, a bit of the cove. You see the Grand Hotel, the famous Grand Hotel. Now the infamous Grand Hotel. It's absolutely shocking. So this is the entrance to the castle. It's open to the public most days of the week, basically all year round now. Part of the National Heritage Trust site as well. You can just see the harbour there from the trees. The lighthouse. There's the entrance to the castle. There's some windy today. Huh? The outer wall of the castle. A lot of it's been repaired over the years. It's the main feature in Scarborough. The castle can be seen everywhere. Everywhere. Over there you can see Caton Bay over there, where the blue dolphin is, and just beyond that's Filey. Some Second World War fortified positions that's still there. There you go. Over there is the Sea Life Centre. You can see.
Oh, there's a 51.
Sea Life Centre. Sea Life Centre just down there. That's the North Bay. Goes on Storby. So we've come to the top of this path now that we were on before. It's is a nice view of Scarborough. So the
Nice when it's sunshine in summer.
still like it, yeah. So there's a wall. There's perhaps a new where the wall's been built new. Down there you can see the lighthouse and the harbour again. Look, there's Oliver's Mount. Can you see that? Oliver's Mount. Oliver lives there. There's the parts where the wall's been rebuilt with red brick. But hey ho, whatever. Right, I think we'll leave it there for now, peeps. Catch up with you later. See you later. A bit of view there of the lighthouse and the harbour down there from this vantage point that we find ourselves up here, just on the way back down these steps down to the seafront of the South Bay, and then fish, chips, cup of tea, whatever will be will be. Hello darling, here we are, here's our fish. Whole movie. So down the treacherous depths of doom. I think there's over 65,000 steps, but I'm not counting them all yet. As you can see the sea, Tillay. Tillay.
No, actually, it was good here.
There's lots of viewpoints, views around here. I think one of you get all the South Bay near enough, right down to the Spa. Spa's down there. Lovely day. And down here, see the battlements, the old battlements. When I was a kid, we used to have dens in here. We used to go camping. This is on the cliff edge where the castle is. And look, you can pretend to be a knight. Keeping watch over the sea, with bows and arrows. There's a little watching hole there. Not even there for no peeps. Right. I'll do peeps. So we're now down on the South Bay. The arcades. Next to on with the jacket and the handbag. There are many gift shops, the tourist traps, fish, chips, mushy peas. I'll leave it there for now. Is it right? Oh. So down the seafront, up and top of the bus for those that are brave enough. That's Italian. Newcastle packet. The infamous Newcastle packet. The Tonic Club fish bar. Our last freezing. You alright, pet? Doctor Who? His TARDIS.
Oh, they're in the TARDIS world.
Jumbles. Nah. The world famous HARBOUR. We're going. So we've just been to HARBOUR, got a hot chocolate, our last got a
Ovaltine.
Ovaltine, the marshmallows and cream.
Oh, pardon me. Did you hear that?
She was burnt there. So we've warmed up. Very nice in the HARBOUR. A joke shop there. Just go down as a kid. The windy roads of West Sandgate. All these little ale houses and or pubs, fish shops, and cafes up here. Scarborough, best place in the world, Scarborough. I miss it.
Home.
I miss it. The home.
Home.
My home. There's an erection of an erection there.
They look like that.
A novel erection. All these used to be fishermen's cottages and houses back in the day.
Like that.
Camper van. There's St Mary's.
Yeah, cheers, Matt.
Right.
That's that.
Okay.
It's a tobacco club. No running today. No. Instead, walking in the rain instead of running in rain. Not moaning though. Are you, baby? No answer from her, so she must be. Right. Shall leave it there for now, people. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Here we've got Record Revivals and the cinema, the Stephen Joseph Theatre in the round, train station. When I was a kid, that was the local cinema, and the queues used to go on from that. Underwood Cat's always been here. There used to be a little bit of underground here as well, a little subway thing that you did. You could go under and it got closed down. I think that might be due to cottaging. Not in the Cotswolds. Train station over there. Oh, lassie, she's all wet. She's not happy anymore. Go do a drive. There we go, Scarborough. Here's the town centre, Brunswick. Only a few shops in there now. Since Debenhams closed, it's the biggest store holder in there. That's about it. Spoonies. So the last bit of Scarborough, there's a town hall there. Good old Queen Victoria stood proudly there. And then the Royal Hotel. You can see the two turrets of the Grand Hotel. And then there's a view, Queen Victoria. The harbour. Quite nice view. And then the Royal Hotel. Famed for its staircase. Lots of wedding photos taken there, but not mine. Still hoying it now. Still a miserable day. Still don't know where our lass is. Where's she gone? Oh, it's buggered off somewhere. There's a tram down to the beach there. London Yard. There she is. Right, friends, I'll leave it there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. The last part in shot is of the worst hotel in England, possibly Europe, which is a shame. It's had the right reputation. The Grand Hotel. Ta-da!